Orbit Rechargeable Table Fan, your solution to this unbearable heat. Let's explore it. Here we have a detailed user manual for clear instructions. And then we have the sturdy base of the fan, and the motor module, and the fan module. Now let's assemble it. Attach this connector matching the wire colors. Push the motor module hard to fix it to the base. Now let's attach the fan module. Make sure you tighten it perfectly and then attach the front grille using the screws. Perfect. Now let's switch it on. Impressive speed, on off and the speed button. Swing mode, bright LED light for emergency. Use this cable to charge it and run on AC power. This USB charging feature to power up your devices. Perfect for places with electricity issues.
If needed, let's show you how to disassemble it. For this, first we need to insert the screwdriver to detach the fan module. To remove the connection, press the button there and pull it. Easy!